search for how to buy shares of CareCloud Inc. CareCloud provides cloud-based healthcare software and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CCLD. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and this example uses eToro to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with a government ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CCLD to locate CareCloud Inc. Confirm the company name and ticker so you select the correct listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the sector, name, and ticker to confirm it is the right asset. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed according to platform rules. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.